Today in this video I show you how to set full photo for color screen on Samsung. For this you have to open Contacts app. Now click on this search icon and search the contact and open it. Now click on profile icon and then you have to click on create profile card. Click on this arrow to open gallery. Now select the photo you want to add. You can see if I click on preview, I can check out how my call screen will appear. You can also add text and effect like this, and if you want to add another image, then click on change image. Now after doing all these, if I click on done, you can see full screen photo is added, and if I get a call from this contact, you can see the screen will look like this. This method allows you to add different images to different contact as per your choice. So this is how you can set full photo for caller screen on Samsung. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.